traditional Turkish breakfast week. We are celebrating all over the world, and I'm very happy and very delighted to have my brothers and sisters here at our consulate in their second home. So we are going to have different dishes, different delicates, different pastries, different cheese, olives from Turkey, and then we will have our brothers and sisters here, and we will celebrate
Turkish cuisine training program in Pakistan for 15 days. As I mentioned, that food and cuisines are very reasonably sure to have a cultural interaction between the different cultures.
It's a tradition that they started, and the first Saturday of every June they call the locals, and I'm honored to be here today. The relationship between Pakistan and Turkey is a very long-standing relationship. It's longer than even before the creation of a country, and this.
In general, Turkish people are very humble, they are very welcoming, and I myself, I love Turkey. I've been there a couple of times, and again, I will be visiting again very soon, inshallah.
I think it's just another chance to connect with amazing Turkish people and of course taste their amazing food and get an inch closer to knowing their culture even better.
To be a part of this beautiful morning, and I love the breakfast. I love Turkish people, so we both are visiting Turkey very soon, so I'm looking forward to